Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account. Log in with the email you used. Once logged in, check whether you bought Super through Duolingo directly, Apple, or Google. This matters because cancellation paths differ. Make sure you know the billing date and the payment method on file, since you'll watch for proration or refunds. If you're not logged in, do that now. You can't cancel without access. After that, move straight to subscription settings to begin the cancellation. Now you'll execute the cancel action. If you're in the Duolingo app, tap Profile, then Settings, then Manage Subscription, follow the cancel prompts and accept any confirmations. If Apple billed you, open Settings on iPhone, tap your name, Subscriptions, find Duolingo, and cancel subscription. For Android, open Google Play, menu, Subscriptions, select Duolingo, and cancel. Make sure to save or screenshot the confirmation. This proves you completed it. Finish by confirming cancellation details. Check your email for a confirmation and note the subscription end date listed. Make sure you still have access until that date, and then watch the next billing cycle to ensure no new charges appear. If you see an unexpected charge, keep your receipt and the screenshots you saved. Contact Duolingo support directly if they billed you, or reach out to Apple or Google support if they handled payment. If things go wrong, escalate with screenshots and exact timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.